Tammy, the Queen of DIY, the host of the channel, and welcome back to the Royal Palace. And today I am showing you revealing a fall room tour. You're getting ready to start seeing my fall room reveals leading up to my actual fall home tour. But before we get into this fall room reveal, if you're not a family member of the Queen of DIY, now on this channel you will get glam and over-the-top tablescapes, some glam unconventional high-end luxe DIYs. You'll get some renovations, some revamps and upgrades. If this sounds like the channel to you, make sure you hit that subscribe button. But we feature all things glam, high-end, and luxe here on this channel. So we're going to show you the room we're starting with. And you know I like to start with my bathroom. And you're getting ready to see my true-to-life actual fall colors. And I hope you're going to enjoy what I created. Make sure you leave me a comment down in that comment section. Tell me what you like about the room. Tell me what you didn't like. Tell me about what you would even change in the space. All right. tours and DIYs, and we may bump that so we can keep in line with our actual fall home tour release date. All right, everyone. And again, if you're still watching and you're not a family member of the Queen of DIY, I need you to hit that subscribe button. And we'll be looking forward to seeing you all again in another upcoming video very soon. Now, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in that Royal Palace coming very soon. Y'all